Most gardeners, run out of compost long before they run out of garden. That's the silent frustration nobody talks about. You spread it carefully, thinly, hoping it's enough, yet somehow the soil still looks tired and plants don't respond the way you expect. Here's the truth most gardening advice skips over. Compost is powerful, but only when it's used the right way. Today, you're going to learn one simple, proven trick that stretches compost further, feeds plants deeper, and transforms your garden without wasting a single handful. The solution isn't more compost, it's smarter compost use. The simple trick that changes everything. The trick is turning compost into a targeted liquid feed that penetrates directly into the soil. This is done by making a basic compost infusion and applying it precisely where roots are most active. You are not making complicated compost tea with pumps or special equipment. This is a simple, low-effort method that anyone can do with materials already at home. Here is the exact formula. Use 1 shovel full of finished compost, roughly 4 cups in volume. Place it into a bucket with 1 gallon of clean water. Stir vigorously for 1 full minute. Let it sit for 30 minutes. Stir again for another minute. Strain out the solids if you want, but it's not required for garden beds. This creates a microbial-rich compost infusion that delivers nutrients, beneficial bacteria, and fungal activity straight into the soil profile. So how do you apply it for, maximum impact? Instead of just pouring this mixture over the leaves or across the soil surface, you want to apply it directly around the base of your plants. Slowly pour about 1 to 2 cups per plant, allowing it to soak in rather than just run off. The water carries both microbes and soluble nutrients deep into the root zone, right where your plants actually need them. This method honestly feeds those deeper roots, improves soil structure, and even activates dormant microbial life that dry compost alone just can't reach. And since it's diluted, you're using only a fraction of the compost you'd normally need, but still getting a much stronger biological response. So, why does this work better than just top dressing alone? Well, compost operates through biology, not just sheer bulk. Microorganisms, they really need moisture and oxygen if they're going to thrive. But when compost is left dry on the surface, microbial activity just slows down dramatically. By infusing compost into water, you wake those organisms up and transport them right into the soil ecosystem. This method also helps you avoid nutrient loss. Nutrients actually stay underground, instead of being washed away by rain or broken down by sunlight. Plants respond faster, their leaves green up more evenly, and overall growth becomes steadier, rather than spiking and then crashing. Gardeners often notice improved soil texture within just a few weeks. Over time, you'll notice the soil becomes darker, looser, and honestly, just a whole lot easier to work with, even in areas that were once really compacted. So, when should you use this trick? Well, this compost infusion works best at planting time during the early stages of growth, and whenever your plants start showing signs of stress. It's especially effective during hot weather, after a heavy rain, or, when the soil just looks kind of lifeless, even though you've been taking good care of it. The great thing is, this method is totally safe for vegetables, flowers, shrubs, and even young fruit trees. For trees, just go ahead and apply 1 gallon of the mixture evenly around the drip line and you're good to go. So, how does this save compost in the long term? Well, because this technique really strengthens soil biology, your garden actually becomes more self-sustaining as the years go by. Healthy soil holds on to nutrients better, keeps moisture around for longer, and, supports much stronger root systems. Just one bucket of compost infusion can treat an entire garden bed, which, honestly, replaces what would normally take several wheelbarrow loads. And this really is how experienced gardeners keep their gardens productive year after year without needing endless inputs. So, let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid. First, do not use unfinished compost. It can actually steal nitrogen from your soil and really stress out your plants. Always, and I mean always, use compost that's dark and has that earthy smell. Also, avoid chlorinated water if possible. But, if tap water is your only option, just let it sit for about 12 hours before using it. That way, the chlorine has time to dissipate. Oh, and one more thing. Do not apply compost in the heat of the day. Early morning or late afternoon is definitely best. This helps protect all that beneficial microbial life and, it also reduces evaporation. So why does Nature's Blueprint recommend this method? Well, at Nature's Blueprint, we really focus on working with natural systems instead of, trying to overpower them. This compost trick actually mirrors how nutrients move in healthy ecosystems. Rainwater carries organic matter into the soil, feeding life below the surface. Basically, you're just guiding that process with intention. This isn't a shortcut. It's really about aligning with how soil actually functions. Here are some final thoughts and, a little call to action. If you want healthier plants, richer soil, and less wasted compost, this one technique will honestly change how you garden forever. Just try it once and watch how your plants respond. The difference, trust me, is not subtle.